Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 6th, and this is my market recap where we're going to take a quick look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video and in the description. If you would like to join my membership, you do so on my website, fxpipcollector.com, and you get access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So, anyways, gold did end up continuing to drift down today. This morning I was talking about put your Fibonacci level from here to here. This right here was a perfect Fibonacci bounce, by the way. But the important thing to see is that this is a very likely 5 ways down, more meaning that it's likely a wave A. I think there's a good chance we're probably in a wave B right now. Most wave Bs do take out structure from the wave A, so I would almost kind of expect this to maybe push up to the 78. Maybe end up looking something like that. Probably get another push down for a wave C. Now, be careful assuming that this is going to be a big giant correction because honestly, I do think that this is going to hit the 138.2. I kind of feel like, based on other dollar pairs, that it needs to do like an ABC before it goes up. But be careful assuming that it's going to go down because we are in an uptrend on every single time frame. And even though it looks like it could be a wave B, it could actually just keep on pushing up, hitting this Fibonacci level that should be the next big area of resistance on the higher time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.